Welcome to Code Funhouse. Today, we're going to learn about JavaScript and one of its coolest tools, the console.log. Get ready to become a coding wizard and discover how this tool can help you see what's happening inside your code. Lesson 1. What is console.log? In JavaScript, console.log is a command that tells the computer to print something out in the console. The console is like a secret message board inside your web browser that only coders can see. It shows you messages and helps you debug, which means fixing mistakes in your code. Think of console.log as a magic spell that lets you send messages to the console so you can see what's happening when your program runs. Lesson 2. How does console.log work? How to use console.log. To use console.log, head over to your Code Funhouse editor and write it. Console.log open bracket. Hello world, close bracket. This simple line of code tells the browser to print the message, hello world in the console. Let's try an example. Imagine you're a detective solving a mystery, and you need to leave secret notes for yourself while you work. You can use console.log to print important clues as your code runs. Lesson 3. Why use console.log? Why is it helpful? When you're writing JavaScript code, sometimes things don't go as planned. Maybe your program isn't working, or you want to see if something is happening the way you expect. This is where console.log comes in handy. It helps you see the values of variables in your program, check if your code is running correctly, and find mistakes, called bugs, and fix them. Activity: try typing this code into your Code Funhouse editor. Let name = Alex, console.log open bracket, open quote. My name is close quote plus name, semicolon. This will print out, my name is Alex. Now try changing the name to yours and see what happens. Lesson 4. Exploring the console. Where is the console? The console is hidden in your web browser, but you can open it up by right-clicking on a web page, selecting Inspect, and then going to the Console tab. Here you'll see any messages you print using console.log. And that's how you use console.log in JavaScript. You're now ready to explore the coding world with this powerful tool, and soon you'll be writing your own programs like a pro. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be a JavaScript expert. See you next time on Code Funhouse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.